Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, another Spam recipe. We have Spam, a couple of pasture-raised eggs. We're gonna use a half of that onion. We're gonna use this potato that's been slightly boiled, olive oil, and some spices. Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? You heard another Spam recipe. This is a Spam hash. Throw a couple eggs in there, and it's gonna taste just like corned beef hash, except it's gonna be Spam hash. And it's fast, simple, and easy. Let's prep the Spam, the onion, and potato, and we'll get it to the stove. Check it out. Okay, this is the Spam. I'm gonna cut it, see, about, that's like a ½ inch, pieces like this. Let's get 3 of these, and then I'm gonna dice it. I'm gonna go 1, get a nice dice on here, like this. Like this, see it? Perfect dices. All right, let's get this done. All right, that's diced. I'm gonna do the same thing with this potato. I wanna do 1 like that, 1 like this. This has been, like I said, parboiled, just like this. All right, finish this up, and then we'll get to that onion right now. And we're just gonna do, like I said, a half. Like this, 1, and like this. We're gonna just dice a nice dice. Hopefully all these dices we're using are equal. Go like this, and give this baby a dice. In a second, I'll meet you at the stove. Okay, we have a medium pan, olive oil down, onions down. I'm gonna give these about a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna add the Spam. There you go. Spam and onions first and potatoes last. The onions will shrink and the Spam will get firm and cooked. All right, let's see how we're going. It's been about 2-3 minutes. Oh yeah, onions are getting cooked, the Spam's getting cooked. Now it's time to add those potatoes, and we can incorporate the whole thing together. This is gonna be a killer hash. I like to add some garlic powder now. Yeah, not too much, but not too little. That's good. Always need some pepper. You can use fresh cracked. I got both. This one's easier. Tastes just as good. Everybody relax. I like a little oregano. You could put thyme. I think oregano works fine. A little cilantro or coriander, depending on what part of the world you're from. And a little basil. Fresh herbs are always welcome. Dry herbs work just as well. All right, this looks great, but is it hash? I don't know, let's see. It's getting hashy. You can serve hash with a fried egg or eggs on the side. I like to put the eggs right in. And this is how you finish this baby up, like this. Just to kick it up a notch, to make it Foster style, just a little shredded cheese. That's where people are gonna say, hash, you don't put cheese in hash. Well, this is, when you have your own video, you put what you want in it. Mix this up, coagulate, get everything together. This will be ready in less than a minute. I'll meet you over at the counter. Take a good look at this. All right, there's the close-up of the Spam hash. Another killer Spam recipe by me, Foster. I call myself the fried egg sandwich king, but I might be the Spam king before I'm done with these recipes. Big bite coming up. My goodness, take a look at this. Still piping hot, loaded with Spam, some onions, potatoes, eggs, even threw a little cheese in at the end. But it ain't killer diller unless it tastes, oh, you can taste that onion, gives it a nice sweet and oniony taste. The potatoes are creamy, so those eggs and cheese. The seasoning's all fit, and the Spam, unless you told someone what it was, you'd think you were just eating corned beef hash. There's a dangling Spam fell. Don't let your Spam dangle. That is killer diller, delicious, and a sweet baboo on the side. Like I said, you can add the eggs any way you want. Make a couple fried eggs on the side. Check out all my videos at Live Life 365 and all my socials. Until next time, eat your Spam and hash. Peace.
Live life 365.
Yeah, that's right. That's it. Is it still on? Oh, all the swearing got to stay. Here you go. That's perfect right there. In dicing sizes. Nice. All right, you can smell those onions, and they smell good. These are things I am not kidding about. Misconceptions! Give a little more olive oil. That's a couple of things she might have said. Oh, it's gorgeous. That is good. As they said in Monty Python's Spam, 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 wonderful Spam. I don't know they said Baba, but I did.